Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the channel. Chad here from T&N Asphalt Services out of Salt Lake City, Utah. Also, we have some forums there at paintmfg.com. Got some industry leaders that just sort of share information, bounce around ideas. Great place for knowledge if you're in the industry. Got a little bit of a treat for you today. We're actually going out to Valley Paint Manufacturing out of Woods Cross, Utah. The paint supplier that we actually use for all of our striping. Had lots of paints from across the country even shipped to us, trying to find something that was nice, high quality, that would work great for us and our applications as far as putting down seal coat, restripe, whatever the case may be. It is a solvent paint, and it works really well with our seal coat, that we can actually put that on fresh seal coat and don't have to worry about the bleed through the oils coming through the paint like you do most time with most solvents. It's usually recommended that you go with water base. Fortunately, our combination really works. Hands down, in the 21 years we've been in business, this is by far the best paint that we've ever used. Steve gave me a call yesterday, invited us to stop by the manufacturing plant and show us a little bit of how that traffic paint is made. So we're on our way that direction, which is on the way to the shop. Luckily for us, it's very, very, very close for us. And once we get there, we'll be going to show you guys how this traffic paint is mixed up and prepared for us, and we'll pick up our order and head on into the shop this morning. Alright guys, and here we are. So already inside the mixer, when we started this here, they had the resins and dryers already going. And right now in this process, they're going to be adding the fillers, and there's quite a bit of fillers, and as you can see here, it just keeps bulking up as it goes along the process. Once all the fillers have been put in, it's time to pigment the paint. Of course, you know, that's going to be your traffic reds, blues, yellow, I guess whatever color that you would specify. Overall, you know, the process takes quite a bit of time in mixing. Beauty of video here is that we can speed through that and show you exactly how that's all put together in a matter of probably about a minute and a half or so. And here we move on to the packaging process, where the mixer is actually lifted up and there's actually a pour spout at the very bottom. And here they're putting it into 5-gallon pails. Once the pail is full, they'll go ahead and close it off, slide it down, set the lid, and this tool will clamp it down for us. And from here they'll actually take these cans, palletize them up, go ahead and secure them to the pallet, and get them ready for transport. And as quick as that, my order is ready, so we're going to go ahead and load her up into the truck, and we'll go ahead and take it down to our shop. And we'd like to thank Valley Paint Manufacturing for letting us view the traffic paint manufacturing process shown today. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for now, and until next time.